Good morning students. Today we will start exercise 3.4. First question, state whether the true and false. Which statement is correct? You have write the true, and which statement is wrong? You have write wrong. Okay. So that first question, all rectangles are square. All rectangles are square. It is the false. You write F. Okay, this is the false because all rectangles are square, but rectangle property is a opposite, all sides are not equal, but square is a all sides are equal. Second, all rhombus are parallelogram is a true because the parallel sides are pair of the parallel side are equal. Okay, and third, all square are rhombus and also rectangles. All square is a rhombus and rectangles is a true. All square are not parallelogram. All square are not a parallelogram. It is the false. Write F. Next, E, all kites are rhombus. All kites are rhombus is false. You write false. Okay, and all rhombus are kites. All rhombus are kites is a true. You write the true for the T. Okay, all parallelograms are trapezium. All parallelograms are trapezium because opposite sides are parallel and one pair of the side is parallel. Its answer is true. Okay, you write the T. And H is a all square are trapezium. It is also true because one pair of the side is trapezium is a property is one side of the pair, one pair of the side is parallel, and square is also one pair of the side of the is parallel. Okay, this is the true. Question number second, identify all the quadrilaters that have a first question is four side of the equal length, and second question at four right angles. You write the name of the quadrilateral. We have the four side are equal length. It is the first is a rhombus and second is a square. The four sides are equal. Okay, now second is four right angle. Four right angle is officially first is a square and second is a rectangle. Okay, it's mean identify all the quadrilaters that have a four side of the equal length is rhombus and square, and four right angles is square and rectangles. Okay, now question number 4, the name of the quadrilaters who diagonals. Its question is a relation between diagonals the bisect each other. Which quadrilaters where diagonals are bisect each other? The first is a parallelogram. First is a parallelogram. First is a parallelogram. Parallelogram and rhombus and square and bisect each other, and their diagonals are each other is rectangle. Okay, rectangle. And next is a name of the quadrilateral where the diagonals are perpendicular bisect of each other. perpendicular bisect is a first is a rhombus and square. The rhombus and square are the diagonals are perpendicular bisect, and third is a are equal, so that is the square and square and rectangles diagonals are equal. So this is the question number 2 and question number 4. Now question number 3. That question number 3 is explain how to square. Explain how to square a quadrilateral. It means a quadrilateral, it is a square, but how to square is a quadrilateral. So that a square is a quadrilateral because it is the 4 side. Okay, so your answer is I square. Your answer is I square. I square is a 4 side. I square is a 4 sided, so it is a quadrilateral. Okay. Now second, I square is a parallelogram. I square is a parallelogram. It means I square has the same property, has its opposite sides parallel. Okay, then opposite sides are parallel, so it is a parallelogram. Okay, explain how to square a rectangle. How to square the rectangle? It means how to explain how to square is a rhombus. So a rhombus, a square has a parallelogram with all the sides are equal. It's the rhombus. Okay, so write that I square is a parallelogram. I square is a parallelogram with all sides, all the sides equal. Okay, and so it is rhombus. Okay, and next is a I square is a rectangle. Yes, because I square is a parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram with each angle which type? Right angles. Okay, so it is a rectangle. Okay, revise how, explain how to square. One square is a quadrilateral. Yes, because a square is a 4 side and so it is a quadrilateral. And a parallelogram is a square. Yes, a square has its opposite side parallel, so it is a parallelogram. A rhombus, yes, because a square is a parallelogram with all sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. And last is a rectangle. Yes, a square is a rectangle. Yes, a square is a parallelogram with each angle is a right angle. So it is rectangle. Now next question, question number 5. that is the question number 5 is called explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Okay, convex quadrilateral. That write the answer in both of its diagonals live in its interior. Okay, so the question number 3rd and 5th is complete. And next question number 6. Question number 6 is ABC is a right angled triangle. A, B and C is a right angle triangles, and O is a midpoint of side opposite to the right angle. This is the angle of A is opposite side of AC. The O is a midpoint. And explain why O is the equal distance of ABC. Do you have proof that is a AO equal to OB equal to OC. Okay, now subconstruction, you construction to ABC parallel to one line and AB parallel to one line and join the point of OD. This means by construction that AD parallel to BC, this line to parallel this line, and AB parallel to DC. Okay, and so in ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABC is a parallelogram because two pair of side of parallel, it is a parallelogram, and the midpoint of diagonals of O diagonals AC is O. Okay, so this is the correct. ABCD is a parallelogram and AC and BD are diagonals, they are intersect on the point of O, and property of parallelogram ki diagonals are bisect each other, it's mean all parts are equal. Okay, thank you. Peace.